What's up guys, today we're doing a video in my bedroom. I might look a little small, I'm small like chair. I'm 7 years old. I'm gonna move the chair, sorry about that guys. Can't like sit up properly. So today we're doing what is it now? Somlings and Super Zing video. This has a Super Zing in it. I don't know which one it is, but I do know what these are, but I don't know the name. So first up we have a snake guy. He is kind of like someone from Pokemon, and it's not very light now. Just turn the lights on and open the window. Oh, it's not very light now. I just noticed. Is that better, guys? Can you see like more now? Yeah, you can see more. If you're wondering how, and I'm like, oh, how can you see more and stuff? Because I can look in like the camera, really. It's like two-headed. I think he can suck you, and that's him. Next up we have the fireman with like a bat or like a grabber. He is pretty weird, and I think his uniform should be what is it now? Red. If you can hear like a noise in the background, it's Pokemon Destiny Deoxys, so you have the DVD of it. I have a lot of them. So, oh well. By the way, I might be doing a video at my nana's, because I'm sleeping over tonight. I'm allowed to take my iPad. Ooh. Then I'll have 2 iPads there. And I already have an iPad here, but this is from my dad. The first one from my first iPad broke. It literally froze. I couldn't even do the password. It wouldn't let me swipe it to do the password. So it literally just broke. But my dad's keeping it so no one can steal his money and details. It's horrible. It's horrible, Dad. Yeah. So next up we have the police guy. He has a bat. He actually has a bat. He is saluting. And yeah, that's him. Next up we have this weird guy. He's like a worker I'm going with. And he's weird. Look at his face, it's so derpy. He's got a well derpy face. Yeah, and we have my favourite guy, which is this guy. Which I have right now. I have some more, but I don't know where they are. I have a shiny one, but that's my old shiny. If you know that they're still out and you can buy them on stuff, leave a comment down below and say, go on like a shop somewhere. Go on like, Google or something. So like, if I find them, I can buy them. Because I don't have many, I only have one shiny. And I got that from my final pack before my nana died. I have no more nanas in this family. No more nanas. I have about 5 at my dad's, which I have to deal with seeing them nearly every weekend. Like, I think he should shoot goo, and he's kind of like an alien. He has a backpack, and yeah, he's my favourite one. And now we are on to this one. Right, we need to fling someone. We're gonna fling the unlucky guy. Flinging him. The unlucky person was the fireman. Now we open it up and we get a hammer guy. The Super Zing is the hammer guy. It's a hammer person. I stuck these stickers on before I opened it, and I just opened it today, and yeah, it's pretty cool. He's all metal, he's got like a cape and stuff, yeah. you'll be able to see me like better soon. Because soon I might have like a little stand for my iPad. And then boom. I haven't been able to look for, the YouTube thing because the other channel because I'm sorry to say, but I didn't have time. Literally didn't have time. Real sorry, but I didn't have time. So yeah, it's pretty bad. But yeah, so he's metal over here. He's got a cape here that like don't know what kind of damaged his cape.
Confirmed. 2 Duke level participants entered successfully.
Yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you later, guys. So, bye. Peace. Peace.